In this video, you'll learn how to get 100 USDT trading fee credit with Binance. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to access and utilize the trading fee credits effectively. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once the page loads, sign in to your account using your credentials. After signing in, locate your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open a drop-down menu where you will find the option labeled Rewards Hub or Vouch Center. Select this option to proceed. In the Rewards Hub, look for any trading fee credit campaigns that offer up to 100 USDT. It is essential to review the eligibility rules associated with these promotions carefully, as fee credits often apply only to specific trading markets. Additionally, check the expiration dates of the vouchers to ensure they are still valid. After identifying a suitable trading fee credit campaign, you will need to complete the required trading tasks outlined in the campaign details. This may include actions such as executing specific trades or onboarding tasks. Ensure that your trading volume meets the criteria set forth by the campaign to qualify for the fee credit. It is crucial to avoid trading outside the eligible pairs specified in the campaign. You can track your task completion status directly from the rewards page, as any incomplete tasks may result in the voiding of your rewards. Confirming your task completion is a vital step to ensure that you qualify for the credit. Following the successful completion of your trading tasks, the next step involves activating and using your fee credit. If the trading fee credit voucher requires activation, you will need to click on the relevant option to do so. After activation, you can proceed to place eligible trades. It is important to monitor your trading fees in your order history to confirm that the fee credits are being applied correctly. The credit should automatically reduce or offset your trading fees. Keep an eye on your remaining credit balance to ensure you use the credits before they expire, as this step confirms the successful usage of the trading fee credit. Before you begin trading, consider the size of your trades and the potential impact on your trading fees. If your trades are large or if the trading volume is high, the fee credit will be more beneficial. Additionally, ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during trading. Large trades may take longer to execute, so plan accordingly to maximize the use of your fee credit. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.